All right, outside of Kauai height, another mahi jumping. Hope you can see that. Oh, beautiful fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, she's a beauty. I think it's a bull, though. It's gone awfully slack. It's coming at me. God, it's the oldest trick in the book for mahi-mahis. They swim right towards you for a while, and you think that they're gone. Look at how much line I'm gaining on him. He's 20 feet out from the boat. I can see the ripples from his fin. But in a second, he's going to see me here and say, "See ya." There he is. Oh, there he goes. Oh, it's a big one. All right. Oh, right in front of the boat is jumping. Sweet. Oh, it's a big bull, I think. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Whoo, doggy. Oh, no. Oh, he pulled that trick again. He fooled me. Man, I'm cruising right along. I hope that's a leader I see, not the hook. It's almost gaff time, baby. He's right there. He's right there. But he's probably got a few more thrusts in him. As soon as I get close to him with the boat, he's going to say, "See ya." Oh, I can't see the hook. Okay. All right. This isn't one of the little mahis. Oh! Come on. They sure do know how to make those big tails work for them. Got to tire him out a little bit because he's not a tiny one. Whew. I'm right at leader. He's just, there he is. But every time I get close to him, he pulls himself away. Mahi! My brother shouts out, "Be careful, I think it's big." Oh, oh, oh. Sorry about all the sound effects. This guy just is pulling. Oh, oh, jeez. Where'd all that strength come from? All of a sudden he just pointed at the bottom. now it's a tug of war. I don't want to give him any more line. But he's certainly willing to try to take it. Get the line in and out of the way. Because this is not a fish you want to lose in front of your big brother. Okay. Try the old trick. Oh no, not the handle. I'll lay it across here. Once again, like a monkey, holding it with my toes while I bring in my other line. Okay. Now we're ready to do something. Come up here. Come on. It has pulled me a long ways. Yeah. I just let him run with it for a minute. Took a long time before I closed the reel. He's a pretty good one. My bait started freaking out like a porgy at Montauk. Oh, he's a beauty. Hey, there's one right here. There's one right here. Oh, please go by. There was just a big one right by me. It was big enough that I thought, was that a shark? Oh, really? Yeah, there's a nice one. It was just 20 feet off this side of me. Oh, I missed him. Oh, come on, get a little closer. Come on, don't go that way. Ah! Oh, fuck! Oh, that's a big bull. Oh. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, well, great big bull mahi.
The kind hooked up to one and
He's heavy.
he lost it.
I heard him hooting and hollering.